Are a Capricorn, life has been extremely difficult the past few years. There are a couple of reasons for that in astrology. I've made a couple of videos about this topic already. This is going to be the final one, and this final one is focusing on Saturn. For those of you who are wondering, yes, I do offer private astrology readings. Link in bio to schedule your reading. So let's talk about Saturn and Capricorn. Saturn, as you know, is Capricorn's planet. So Saturn is at home in Capricorn. Saturn usually takes 28 to 29 years to come around full circle. Typically, Saturn will transit every 7 years into a new position. When Saturn lands in your top 6, you're going to feel that impact very intimately in that specific area of your life. If you have Capricorn in any of your top 6, you probably have felt a lot of this: heavy depression, anxiety, a lot of changes, a lot of delays, life slowing down, a lot of loss, a lot of insecurities, a lot of pressure. For those of you who have Capricorn in your top 6, you're about to have some relief in those areas because Saturn is finally getting ready to leave Capricorn. On January 17th, Saturn is finally moving into Aquarius, and then it's going to be moving into Pisces, and that's happening in March, and it's going to stay in Pisces for 26 months. Saturn in Capricorn is very intense energy. It's get your shit together energy. It's there's no participation trophy energy. It's daddy energy. It's do the right thing or I will punish you energy, and I will punish you sternly energy. In astrology, Saturn is daddy, and daddy does not play any games. Daddy's got rules and regulations, and if you don't follow them, there are consequences. To give you a perfect example, we spent most of 2020 with Saturn in Capricorn, and I don't know where you lived in the world, but I'm sure you felt like everything was slowing down. You felt stuck. You felt like no matter what you did, you weren't getting ahead. 2020 was a horrible year. Well, it's been feeling that way for people who have Capricorn in their top 6 for many years. Many years. Imagine that. Saturn in Capricorn, even though it is challenging, it does have many benefits. For instance, it's asking us to set goals, to focus on the here and now, to slow down, to prioritize what's in front of us, to create a plan, to stick to the plan, to do the right thing, and to really be willing to put in the work knowing that we're not going to get the result today, but it's going to come tomorrow. It's about hard work. It's about hard work that is slow and steady. It's about endurance. It's about consistency. It's about taking care of yourself. It's about planning for a rainy day. It's about knowing your limits and creating a solid foundation for your future success, which can only mean more security for Capricorn.